soul, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy. Thank you for all the new subscribers. It really means a lot. Thank you for all the comments and likes. What message do we have? What is it to know? How is our day going to go? And what is the message we all need to know for today? It's a collective reading, so do take whatever resonates and you can leave the rest. Here we go. Energy is super. So we have the Knight of Cups. And we have the Knight of Wands, Three of Wands, Six of Cups, next Swords, bottom of the deck we have the World. So this is a very beautiful energy which we have got. What are we doing today? What's happening? What do we have to be aware of? There is some kind of movement, somebody is coming towards you. Anyone who's single who's watching this may be your soulmate who you're going to meet today. And if in case a husband and a wife you all are seeing, you all are going to encounter with your soulmate. Now soulmate can be a brother, sister, mother, father, anyone from the past life. Soulmate helping us to grow in this journey of ours. What happens is soulmate always helps us to move forward. So today we might be meeting a lot of our soulmates. It can be through friends or colleagues, but you will know it that this person who is coming to you, it can be a soulmate. It can even be your partner from your previous life. It can even be your husband from your previous life, or your father or your brother or your sister or your friend. Be anyone, but you are going to encounter your soulmate today. And what else do we see over here? I am seeing that you are going to be in full force. You are having a lot of your wishes, all your art, your creativity. This is all coming in, in front of you. Whatever you want to do, this all thing is you're gaining this momentum of being in your power today, of moving a step in whatever financial way you want to, or whichever field you want to. If you're a doctor, engineer, artist, anyone, this is a creative field. Walk ahead, you want to go ahead, and there is something that you have decided. You have taken a decision. You have taken a decision thinking of a long term. You have taken a decision thinking that you will go ahead in future. What I'm seeing over here is, yes, there is some kind of a stuck situation which is only in your mind. It's not anywhere else. For making this movement, for you to go ahead in whatever direction you want to, you will be going further today. Whatever you want to do, you will be achieving that. But what I see over here is everything is in your mind, and that is stopping you. That is stopping you from taking any action. And for the lovers, yes, there is a very beautiful relationship. In your relationship with your husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, or you're going to meet somebody new, a new relationship, a new love bond. Today you're going to find a lot of love. Your person, your husband, your wife is just going to shower a lot of love today. And yes, the world is whatever you're wishing for, waiting for, it will come. Maybe it will not come at once, it will take a while. So whatever you're investing, you want anything good in your future, you want or if it is a relationship which you want to go further and you want to think of marriage, it will just delay a little. If it is finance, it will delay a little. So today, if in case you're thinking of wanting everything just in your plate, no, it's not going to be there, because there is some kind of delay in certain things you want to do. Otherwise, there will be some new opportunities which will open up to you, which is very good for today. So this is a beautiful energy which we have got, and please don't think everything is only in your mind. It's not in what exactly the reality is. So don't think too much that why things are going in certain way, or if you are feeling a bit stuck because you want to take this action, you want to make a movement, you want to travel to some place, you want to go and meet somebody, you want to go and go for a project, job, but something that stuck energy in you is not allowing you to go ahead. Okay, so this is the energy for today, and it was really good. And we need to be alert, be safe. If in case you are traveling somewhere, have a very beautiful day. God bless you, love you, and please do take care of your health. Bye bye.